Hey guys, so today we have unboxing of the Gans 354M. This is actually gonna be so much fun. Alright, so out of the box, you get a manual. These GAN manuals are just like super long and like super big, but yeah, you have the GAN manual and you have your GES nuts. There you go. You have the purple ones, the blue ones, and the yellow ones. I'm not sure which ones are already installed in here. And here we go. We have the GAN cube in like new type of box. I don't like this new box. Is honestly, I like the other one more, where you can press down and take it out like that. Now you just like open it like a chest sort of. Alright, so it took me a while to actually figure out how to open this box. I ended up just like pulling it like that, just opening it, but it seems like you just kind of have to like push down like right here, and then you can open it. It kind of just pops open. So yeah, here we go, Gans 354. And without even opening these, like the package in it, this is very small. Alright guys, so here we go, the Gans 460. Alright, open this up. Okay. Ooh. I really like the stickerless feeling on this Gans puzzle. I don't know, like already it feels like it's not slippery at all, but this is very, very loose. Alright, so first turns, this is extremely loose and very unstable right now. Let's do an 8th turn. Okay. Okay, yeah. I literally can't even do an A-perm right now because it's that loose. Yeah, this is extremely loose, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up. Alright, so this one uses the biggest tensioning tool thing. So even though I've tightened this up a bit, you can still kind of see how wide this could like open up. So I don't know if this is like this is probably, in my opinion, the GES nuts. Looks like inside right now there's like a white one. So you have these GES nuts. You have the purple, blue, and the yellow. Okay, so looking closely at this, the nuts that are already inside here are the green ones. These ones over here, you have the purple ones, the blue ones, and the yellow ones, and it goes as follows. It would go yellow, blue, green, and purple. Yellow being the most control, and purple being the least control. So I am probably going to be switching out the green in here with the yellow ones because I like a lot of control in my cube and not a lot of flexibility. Alright, so I switched out all of the nuts in here for the yellow ones, and as you can see, all right here, there are the green ones, and you have one extra yellow. So you have one extra yellow, one extra purple, one extra blue, but you do not have an extra green.
Alright, so let's talk about the piece design of the GAN 354. So the GAN 354 has the same honeycomb design as the normal SM, but the main difference that you can see is that the magnets are different. It is a cap piece design, and also the corners stocks have honeycomb designs. But the edge pieces are almost the same as the SM. All that's different is just the cap piece design. So I did twist solve on this cube, and this cube really is not my main for two-handed. It's like so bad in my opinion. It's way too uncontrollable, and I really can't do any good algorithms on it. You can see at the end of this video where I completely mess up a T-perm and like end up doing a way different alg right here. Makes like I can't do it at all. So what I decided to do is I actually made this my main as in an OH main. So this cube is smaller, and as it's an OH cube, it actually performed pretty well for me. I set it up with angstrom lube, DNM, silk, and some lubico black on the core, and it performs pretty well after maybe about 100 solves of breaking in. And I really like it. It is my OH main right now, and I will be using it in my next competition. So anyway, thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.